Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to replace null with empty space in your table. If you want to replace any null values, if you want to handle null values, you need to use the two functions called isNull function and collage function in SQL Server. Now this is my table. There are four columns. Out of four, email is one of the columns. So if you find the email column here, we find some null values. That means we don't find any email for that respective person. And there are some email address for the remaining employees. Now I want to handle this null value by executing empty space. Okay, by replacing with empty space. So for that, I am using the function called collage function. So what collage will do? Collage will pick the first not null value from the column. I'm taking star comma collage. So it will take multiple arguments, but so here our intention is to take only two arguments: email with empty space. Right now, email having null. So I want to replace with empty space as email address. So if you execute this one, you see earlier we have null, and after replacing with empty space, it is showing just space. We don't have any value in the email address. So like that, if you want to make it some meaningful name, no mail. So instead of null, it is showing no mail. For that means we don't find any email address for these persons. For rest of the people, there is email address. For these persons, we don't find any email address. Now, in the same way, you can also use isNull function. IsNull. So first, I am checking using the isNull function with empty space. See, no nulls, just empty space. You want to make it as a no mail sentence. So this is how you need to replace the null values with the empty space or empty string. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.